Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you 3 easy and healthy breakfast recipes. They take no more than 10 minutes to make and are full of nutrients that our bodies would need in order to function well. They're also good to keep on repeating every week, because actually that's what I do. So, are you ready to learn? For the first recipe, we will be making this epic hummus sandwich. It's pretty simple and incredibly delicious. I just spread my homemade hummus on the top of the whole wheat bread and then top it up with some tomatoes, homemade pickled onions, scrambled egg, and green leafy vegetables like arugula or spinach. Depends on what I have on hand. And then, on the other side of the bread, I usually spread some almond butter or plain yogurt on it. For hummus, it can be either store-bought or homemade, but for sure homemade is always the best and is also more healthy. It's not hard to make at all, and once it's made, it can be preserved in the fridge for up to 7 days. I have made a video about homemade hummus before. I will link it in the description box down below in case you are interested, so make sure to check it out. The same for homemade pickled onions. It's also much better making it yourself and it's not hard to make at all. I will make a video about it very soon. Stay tuned if you're interested. The next one is vibrant blueberry smoothie oatmeal. This one is seriously the best and as gorgeous as its name. I make it at least twice a week and haven't yet gotten sick of it. So to the blender, we're gonna add some frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, Greek yogurt, and a 1/4 cup of water. And then we're gonna blend it and watch this vibrant amaranth color emerge. Now let's pour this beautiful smoothie into a bowl and add some oats in it. Then we can top it up with anything your heart fancies. Normally, I go for nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, pistachios, and pumpkin seeds, as they're a good source of healthy fats, which play a very important role in our health. If you prefer a bit of crunch in your oatmeal, coarsely chop them up. A sprinkle of coconut flakes, a pinch of chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flaxseed powder. So that's it. Can it be any easier? In this bowl, you have gotten yourself every nutrient that your body would possibly need. Fibers, antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, you name it. And yet, it's so indulgent like a dessert or snack. The last one is my all-time favorite guacamole toast. Look at this one. Seriously, is there anyone still have no idea how to make guacamole? Well, if it is you, learn it today, okay? Learn it. I swear you will only regret that you haven't learned it earlier. Because seriously, this one is the best. Chop the cherry tomatoes and onions into around 1 cm cubes. And then chop the cilantros as well. Scoop the avocado, make sure it's ripe, and then all we need to do is just mix everything together, drizzle it with olive oil, squeeze some fresh lemon juice in it, and then season it with a sprinkle of black pepper and salt. That's it. Spread it on the bread and it's ready to enjoy. This one is so much more enjoyable than just plain avocado toast. Though avocado toast is already so delicious and nourishing, but this one is another level. Alright, that's so much for today's sharing. Which one would you like to try it out? If you are inspired to make one of them, make sure to share with me in the comment below. It seriously makes my day to read your lovely comments. And if you do like these recipes, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more healthy recipes. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. Really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.